I just want to say a huge thank you for every one of you for coming out here today.
It's amazing to see so many people here today, and the lists of people who filled out with the inquiries. We kind of have everything covered, and I think now it's actually becoming a real project.
Right, so tell me why screed is great for conservation projects.
Well, traditionally, that period of property would require a low heat, not something not too hot, not too warm. So the screed from Roadstone, the Flow Plus Liquid Screed, is a perfect partner with the underfloor heating systems.
What gives the building heat is the screed.
Yes.
So it's that big thermal mass. So these pipes heat up all of the concrete.
Yes.
And then when that goes off, the concrete is still giving out the heat. So the fact that it's all stored in this big slab means that it goes out at a much lower temperature, much more even, and it's gentler and kinder. It's like a storage heater. If you open up a storage heater, it's a big slab of concrete inside it with what. And I suppose what's great about this then is that it gives a lower heat, a lower temperature heat, but a more even heat. And an older building that has kind of lots of movement and timber and older materials in it, you don't want to shock the building.
That's correct.
So this is a gentle solution. So the screed is actually really vital to this project.
So that screed that you have there, any type of floor covering can be applied to it.
Brilliant.
So whatever type of floor cover you choose, this can be applied to that.
I'll choose, let's not Julian choose, it'll be all diamonds.